Look at these beautiful potatoes we grew. This season's chilies are finally ready. They are perfect and incredibly spicy. These vegetables are very fresh. Fresh cilantro makes all the difference. Now we just add this to our pot. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we are making a fresh paste and adding some vibrant chili. Let's make some delicious aloo chokha. First we add a little bit of mustard oil and now it's ready to serve. आज हम बना रहे हैं स्वादिष्ट आलू चोखा। इसे बनाना बहुत ही आसान है और ये बहुत ही स्वादिष्ट भी है। First, we add the golden cumin. And now, welcome to my kitchen. Today we are making some fresh aloo chokha. Let's get started. There is nothing better than fresh roti, is there? If you liked my video, then like the video and subscribe to my channel. Making some sweet lassi. This completes our traditional recipe. If you like my video and subscribe to my channel,